long is this gonna take?
Not long at all.
If I had to guess.
Oh! Ah! My eye!
Okay, everyone stay calm. Dude! Bad choice.
Oh, what do we do?
Oh, little buddy.
I got this.
Oh, come on! Go quickly.
We're not catching a break here.
Oh, it's on the couch!
You gotta be kidding me. It's just...
Okay, don't worry.
Come quickly,
I got
quickly,
this.
quickly.
I got it.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate our service today?